Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke. Today I'm going to be working on the 1998 Volkswagen Beetle. Thanks for joining me. I've got a few projects that I've got going on with this car. My daughter needs to borrow it while her car is in the shop, and it has been sitting for a while, so I do need to get a few things done. And in today's video, I'm going to be changing the battery. The battery has not been holding a charge, and it's at that age where it's just time to replace the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and that's the first project I'm going to start with today, is getting the battery changed out. Alright. Alright, start with the ground. Take that off first. Alright, got that off. And we'll get the positive off. Alright, and we just need to lift this out of here. Alright. Alright, set the new battery in. Alright, positive down. Alright, throw the ground on it. And this baby's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time. The car has been sitting for a while, and one of the tires has gone flat, so I got to air that up. If you don't know how to air up a tire, you probably shouldn't be doing that.